time with the Thompsons again, and today we're going to make a dough that you can play with. And just like all the other experiments we've done, it's very simple. It only has 2, possibly 3 ingredients. For this, just like with the oobleck, you need cornstarch. Just like with snow, you need conditioner, and any conditioner will do. And then this one, I do like to add a little food coloring in, just to make it a little more fun, and you can make multiple colors that you can play with and build things. Alright, well, let's get started. Alright guys, to make our dough, first thing we're going to do is take our cornstarch, we're going to dump it into our container. And then we're going to squirt some conditioner in. Now this one takes a little bit more mixing. So this may take just a little bit. So when you first put your hands in, this one feels kind of strange, even to me. But it will be really cool once we get it mixed together. Alright, so I'm mixing. And it's a little dry, so I'm going to add some more conditioner because I want to keep mixing until it literally just forms a soft dough. Ew, squishy. Oh, it's starting to get there. Alright, so you can see now I've just kept mixing and mixing, and now I've got my dough. Now this is what kind of like my favorite part. I want to make this colorful, so I'm going to add some green food coloring. And the way I'm going to do this, so I'm just going to add a couple of drops. Ooh, look at that. Now be real careful. Probably don't want to be wearing a white shirt, but now I'm going to fold it over and keep folding it and mixing it. And that color, it'll kind of look tie-dyed for a little while, and then it'll start to blend in. Isn't that cool? Aha. So I've caught Mr. Thompson playing with the dough. See, it's even good for adults.
What's the difference between a piano and a fish?
What?
You can tune a piano, but you can't tune a fish!